Here's a short video how to put the grill on. You will see we have 2 location tabs over here, 3 tabs that are actually engaging the piece. The reason for that is because we only have leaves on these 2 sides. On these sides over here is completely flat. So make sure that the grill is completely flat. If it is not, you can use a hair dryer and heat it up a little bit on the areas that is not flat and let it cool down in the table. And after that, you should be okay. Shouldn't have any problem with that. So the best way to put it on is engage this tab first. That's usually what I have found is better to do. Then engage the ones on the bottom. Then engage the 2 location tabs. Pull out a little bit on this one, and that one should be fixed there. The other thing is that there's a piece over here when you are putting the whole thing inside your porch. It's like a rubber gasket all around. I usually push a little bit on this one just to make sure that the rubber is engaging on this side over here. That should be it.